Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to disable text dubbing on your iPhone. Please don't forget, friends, to put your likes under the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also write your comments after watching. And come on friends, let's get started. If you're having this problem where your iPhone is dubbing text, and you'd like to get rid of it, maybe it's bothering you or you don't need it, then I'm going to show you how you can do it very easily. First of all, friends, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then go to Special Features. Now here select this option here. Next, you will need to select Taping Feedback. And then here you can find all the options that you have enabled. And if you have these two options active, like I have right now, it's Auto Text Feedback and also Auto Voice Work, then you need to turn them off. After that, your problem will be solved. If unfortunately disabling these options didn't help you, then you need to go back to the menu or settings. Go to General, scroll to the bottom and select Reset iPhone. Next, you'll need to select the Reset function and select Reset All Functions. And then confirm what you're doing. And such reset it will help you to solve any problems in your iPhone settings. But keep in mind that such a reset will probably entail deleting some information from your phone. With these methods, friends, you will be able to disable text-to-speech on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write comments. See you, friends!